Hi, there we go.
I'm eating.
We
got you.
Hi everybody.
We'll be in the front.
No.
I can do it like this.
Okay, so one rule on the boat is as long as the boat is moving, everybody's got to stay seated.
Okay.
But we'll stop and then y'all can get up and walk around.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the rule. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Neil, yeah.
The rule is valid.
We don't want to feed the kitty.
You don't follow the rule, I throw you overboard.
And so they tend to go down house. But we'll see. Don't drop it.
I can pretend.
If you drop it this time, I'm not Boston, we're not going down to pick it up again. Oh, we get no feet.
They're really pretty. You see on their heads, they have this like what do they call it? Plumage. They used to kill them. They were almost hunted to extinction.
What?
In the late 1800s. Can you guess why?
Food? Too many of them?
Not food.
For the plumage.
For the plumage. And what did they put them?
Mexico.
They went where?
We're gonna go to Gulf of Mexico.
Oh yeah. They would take a left.
Okay.
Oh, really?
They said about 254 miles or something like that?
Islands like the Dillis Island
Wow.
that are all over the swamp.
Oh, wow.
You can go camping if you get permission
Mhm.
on those, and so you
So
can
where you get
paddle
the
for whole
permission
swamp.
to your office in there?
We can't do it. There's another office. If you keep going, oh look at this bird. This is a cool kind of bird.
Oh, yes.
This is probably a cormorant. Oh no, that is a yes. It's a
It's
double.
cormorant, right?
It's a double-crested cormorant.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Take a video. Get a picture.
Go catch it.
Oh, and whenever we're stopped, you can like get up and look.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Wow.
Wait, don't go on one side why I was standing up? I paid attention to what he said.
Let's see if it spreads its wings. So.
Look at that.
Yellow water lilies like that. There's
sweet.
a white water lily,
Yeah.
which is what you would. It looks like a flower, like the size of the palm of your hand,
Wow.
but like a lot of petals.
So do you know how deep is the water?
In the middle here, it's about 8 to 10 feet,
Oh,
and out here, it's about 2 to 3 feet.
Oh.
swampy.
Yeah.
Yeah, very small.
So this they call prairie.
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
We might bump this.
We're gonna
tree or
crash,
something.
okay.
So where the deer mostly do their nest? In this side or on this side?
It's wherever they kind of can sense out. They go. They find what are called hammocks. It's like there's big islands. That's one thing, but there are little elevated points all over.
Right.
So they'll find it where it's high enough so that it won't get
The water.
flooded, and then they dig.
Oh.
Or like for the nest, for like the eggs, they build mounds.
Yeah.
And in the summer, they dig holes.
Ooh, look at how.
When you crash, we're worried about how to go so long. What is it called?
You have
Hey Siri. Not available.
Do we have like
What do you think? What kind do you think we have?
Water moccasin.
There's water moccasins everywhere, but it's getting colder.
Anaconda.
Oh, jeez.
Wow.
Yeah, water moccasin for sure.
I haven't seen gator yet.
There's 5 kinds here. There's cottonmouth or water moccasin.
Oh, car, yeah.
They're
yeah,
everywhere.
Uh-huh.
They're like the most common. And let's see, pygmy rattlesnake, canebrake or timber rattlesnake, some eastern diamondback rattlesnake, I think, but they're rare, and then a coral snake.
Oh, coral snake. There
those
you
are
go.
very
It's a
rare.
baby gator.
Oh, yeah, yeah. He follow you. Right there.
Oh, right there, right there, right there. I don't see.
Oh,
Right
my
there,
goodness.
right there. Look at the
Looking at that.
Carnivorous plants in the swamp.
Oh.
This is called bladderwort.
Bladder.
Bladder like your bladder,
Uh-huh.
and wart, W-O-R-T.
O-R-T.
And this has little beads, like silica, translucent little silica beads, and you'll be able to see it. But let me tell you how it works. Each little bead is like a sphere with negative pressure. So it also has little hairs and a mouth. So whenever like a single cell organism or like a little larva touches the hair, in like 1/400th of a second,
Oh, wow.
it just eats it.
It's like
what's that planet eat? The
Venus.
Tap,
Yeah,
what-
Venus
The
flies.
Venus flies. Yeah.
We
Like
have
that,
all
right?
of them but those. There's pitcher plants, sundews, butterworts, and bladderworts.
Wow.
But pitcher plants are neat too. So
Yeah.
here, look at the little beads, and if they're clear,
Uh-huh.
they're hungry. If they have like kind of dark goop in them,
They
it's
are.
bugs. It's bug soup.
Wow.
Yeah. Can you see?
Uh-huh. Like
You
that.
see the beads?
Yes, yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see those. Wow.
Each one kind of like eats. And apparently, if you pull it out of your,
Okay.
you see,
Yeah, this is a bit like
if you pull it out of the water,
crystal
Uh-huh.
beads.
you can like
Hear them?
hear
Pop-
it like
pop-
Rice
popping.
Krispie. Yeah.
Oh.
It's like
The clear,
See the
the
little
little
beads?
clear round thing.
yeah.
That's not like that's we can put that in the aquarium, right?
Oh. Wow.
Probably. It'd just eat. It'd eat little things.
Oh, turtle.
So
Turtle's good.
So what is that?
It wouldn't eat a
again?
turtle, but
This is bladderwort.
Bladderwort.
It's the name of it.
Oh.
It's the whole plant.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yes.
So that's what's feeding the plant. It's
Oh.
converting the little bugs and stuff into its. I've never heard of it.
Oh, that was cool.
Good job, guys. You're doing great. Where are you going? Doing good. Keep it up.
They come down from
Finish line is almost there.
Yes.
You can do it, man.
You can scout, yeah. You can earn the badge.
Press the second boy in the front. So push it. Pedal. Don't be shy.
Wow. Hi, look at all that one. I want to go, but that one got more food. That boat got more food. Look at this young one.
You can do it.
Same as my dog.
They got their own survivor. Hi.
You always just hear like the MTM.
Yeah.
Wow.
The yellow black though.
so that was pretty cool. Live there at that time.
Oh, this two they got going over. This
It
two
was actually
That's the leader. Almost there.
Hello. Oh my God.
The whole thing
Oh my goodness.
moves, and they would have to walk across this back in the day.
Like
Oh, you can walk on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend it.
I know, but yeah, there. Like,
Here, let me get us back. Who wants to poke the peat?
I do.
Okay.
everybody.
Go poke, poke, poke.
Molly first.
Gotta get on it again.
Oh, really?
One sec.
Yeah.
is it soft?
Here,
Like a
yeah,
pillow?
try there. Push as hard as you can.
Oh wow, it's like a cushion.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Gator pillow.
Wow. That's why they make the net, right?
They can, yeah. Sometimes they nest
It's
on
so
it.
cool.
Who wants to try?
Go ahead.
Amazing. Cool.
One sec.
You just push it, it just bounces out.
Just
It's
like
it's
in
like a foam.
in Peru,
Oh.
there's a
I think pull you out.
There's the
We'll
people
get there, hold
village in just like that. Like a little floating island.
Here's what I'm gonna do.
You're floating on it.
Hang on tight. I'm gonna start the boat and like push us up on it real quick.
All right.
Oh,
I am holding on.
Hold on, don't fall.
Hang on
Definitely.
one sec.
Robin, don't jump.
Here we go.
Trust me, I'm not going to jump.
There we go. Yoo-hoo. Now. Yes, yes, yes.
Wow.
Ah, yes, yes.
Sorry. Okay. Yep. Here, push as hard as you can.
Oh, yes.
Actually, film it.
Okay.
I got it on video.
See if you can push straight down. Oh, you got it on video. There you go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
So
Yep.
water will leave you.
Look at that. Wake up, little gator.
Ah. You can wake up with
Now.
that.
Cool. There you go.
Wow.
Who's poking the peat?
I am.
All right.
Come on, Agatha.
I know.
There you go. You can push it as hard as you can. It's not going anywhere.
Wow, that is incredible.
Oh, here's another yellow lily getting ready
Oh.
to open up.
That's cool.
Try it.
This is amazing.
So people actually walk on top of it.
Back in the day,
Uh-huh.
I mean, if you had to walk on this all the time, you would probably call this place Land of the Trembling.
Ah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this flood is floating on the underneath the water, right?
Yeah, here, like, let me show you
All
the.
connected by roots.
This is the rhizomes of the lilies, like attached to the peat, and it kind of holds it in place. But yeah,
There's a gator over there.
you can see I'm like pulling it up.
Where?
Oh, yeah. Right.
Pretty thin.
Good, next.
Thank you. Where's the gator? Is it a big one? Oh, there's the little one. Yeah.
It's got a really some design.
Kind of jiggly,
Yeah.
jiggly peat.
Sophia,
Jello. Go in there.
go in there.
Go in there.
I think you can float on it. I think you're gonna sink.
So this layer of this thing here,
Yeah,
it's not dirt underneath here?
it's peat.
Oh.
The grasses and stuff grow out of the peat.
Go on
So
top.
basically, if I jump on here, I could basically stand on this thing, right?
The water,
Land on this.
it will go down, but yeah, it won't. It,
Yeah, I
You will
would
sink
not
down.
be, I would not be like that,
Like,
right?
look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, like you're standing on a carpet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of.
Cool.
Like a water
That
bed.
is so
Like a
neat.
water
Now you
bed.
get your shoes wet.
Like a waterbed, yeah.
Okay.
You might have some unexpected cuddle up. We're going to Minnie's
Lake.
This is called Minnie's Run.
There's another bird over here.
Oh, it's a
Blue
heron.
heron.
So this is an old one.
Yeah, no feeding.
And it's, yes.
No
that's what
feeding
it's called.
animals. Oh wow, that's big.
Yeah.
Wow. We came over here at nighttime. It was so cold we couldn't see nothing. It was too cold.
If you were here at night and
Yeah.
there's no moon, you can't see
Yeah,
anything.
can't see nothing.
I remember that.
Even if you have you have to have a really, really bright
Yeah.
flashlight
It was
because it just
we-
sucks up.
Nice.
Look at the water so nice. Yeah. Peaceful.
Oh, he blinked.
As far as I need to go. Yeah, I want to try to get up front and get his picture too.
Go over there so I can push you down. Hurry up. All right, ready now? 1, 2, 3. Good. Ready?
Look, he's mine. See that?
Smile for Robin.